Welcome to the world of tech and finance, where big moves and big money are the name of the game. Today we're stepping into the thrilling narrative of Arm Holdings, a British technology company that's making waves across the globe. As the company concluded its initial public offering on the Nasdaq exchange on the 14th of September, the excitement for the road ahead is palpable. In just 3 minutes, we'll unravel the intrigue, the deals, and the future prospects of this tech giant. Picture this, a British tech gem known as Arm Holdings. In the year 2016, Arm Holdings was swept off its feet by Japan's Softbank in a stunning $32 billion deal. This perfect pairing was poised to shake up the tech world. Then in 2022, Nvidia also fell for Arm, proposing a $40 billion deal. But alas, the tech world is not without its complexities, and regulatory hurdles led to the sale being called off. Arm Holdings isn't your typical chipmaker. They're the architects behind the magic. They've got a knack for designing chips that have become an integral part of our digital lives. Whether you're navigating with your smartphone, streaming a movie on your smart TV, or even crossing borders with your electronic passport, you're most likely using Arm's technology. It's the unseen force that powers a multitude of devices. Imagine almost every internet user encountering Arm tech daily, from cars and smartphones to drones and electronic passports. The big moment arrived on September 13th, 2023. Arm Holdings' initial public offering was priced at $51 per share, generating a cool $4.87 billion for Softbank. The tech world's giants weren't just observers, they were participants. Apple, Nvidia, Alphabet, AMD, Intel, and Samsung all invested in Arm's IPO. Their investments weren't just about the present, they were bets on the future. These heavyweights believe in Arm's potential, even beyond dominating the mobile phone market with a staggering 99% share. Arm is looking towards the future, targeting the cloud computing market with only a 10% share. The company has its sights set on the clouds, aiming to ride the wave of a market that's predicted to grow at an impressive 17% annually until 2025. Alongside that, Arm's dominion in the automotive market, where it holds a commanding 41% share, promises lucrative prospects as the sector is expected to grow by 16%. Compare that to a mere 6% growth projected for the mobile market. However, there's a storm brewing on the horizon. Arm Holdings is not immune to the unpredictable winds of geopolitical tensions. Their significant exposure to China, a country locked in ceaseless contention with the United States, is a point of scrutiny. In the fiscal year of 2023, nearly a quarter of Arm's revenue came from sales in China. In a world where everyone's racing to secure chips, this adds a cinematic layer of complexity to Arm's epic journey. And there you have it, the story of Arm Holdings, from its game-changing technology to its IPO triumph, navigating global challenges, and the vision of growth beyond mobile. Stay tuned and please subscribe to our channel for more such technology and business stories. Thanks for watching.